Hello and welcome. Before we get into today's Freebie Friday, I wanted to say congratulations to Carrie Betts. She is the winner of the coupon for answering the question that Aaron had during the Aaron Makes With last week. And her answer was the English country garden theme. I took this randomly from the post that happened after the live. And so I wanted to say congratulations, Carrie. I will message you your coupon. All right, and now for the Freebie Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and it's another Friday, which means we have a Friday freebie. And this time it's a little bit different. Here it is. I recently found some Easter vintage cards that I bought. And I thought, well, what if I scan these and this can be a freebie? Aren't these so cool? They're really, really old. I'm not sure. I'm going to guess early 1900s, but I don't think any of them have a date. I think they were in a scrapbook at some point because of the glue on the back. This one with love from Mrs. Jama Anderson to Miss Erdy somebody. Super cute. So what I did is I scanned these and then I made them so they all fit on the freebie for today. And you'll see that they're religious. There's a cross and stuff about God, but I figured, once in a while it's all right. And if you don't believe in Easter, you could still use the flower and the chicks and then this guy too. And then this beautiful rose and butterfly. You could always fussy cut those out. All right, so today I think I'm gonna focus on this really fun shaped card here. And I think I'm gonna make a tag. So I guess let me go get this cut out and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. It's all cut apart and then I added some of my Easter kit, one of the background pages as the background pages for the tag. And yesterday I had this pulled out for my Easter cards and I looked and I thought this looked really cute together, or this cream. So I was thinking, or you know what? I also have this blue. So let's punch a hole at the top. And then we'll decide. And get an eyelet. The freebie for today would also make a really cute, you could actually turn them into Easter cards if you wanted to give them. It's like you're repurposing the vintage Easter card again. All right, let's see. I wonder if both of these would fit through here. Yep. Just tie this together. I think that'd be really fun. All right. So if you are new to my Freebie Fridays, you can get the Freebie Friday from my Facebook group, which is Cara Brandon and Friends. And there'll be a post or you can download it from the file section of the group. And make sure there's a couple simple questions that you need to answer just because we've had a couple people who have nothing to do with card making or journals or anything crafty in the kind of get into the group, and then they kind of been spamming and stuff. So just make sure that you answer the questions. It just keeps everyone safe and all that good stuff. I think this guy is gonna go here. He's a little bit glittery for this vintage card, but you know what, maybe we do this. And then I want to use more of the, where's my glue? I want to use more of this blue. I want to, well, maybe I just put him down. Yeah. And then my ink. All right. I think I'm just gonna do one tag today. And you can download it. Oh, and then the other thing I forgot to mention is I do a drawing in my group for the previous week. So if you make something with the freebie and you post a picture, then I do a drawing and you can win a coupon for one item, for 50% off one item in my Etsy shop. Not bad. Not a bad deal. All right, I think that's my craftiness for the day. All right, and then you still have all these fun cards that you could do things with. But I think I like my funky tag. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.